Okay, so I came up with a really fun analogy in terms of how we manifest. You've seen The Secret, you've read, I'm sure, numerous books about manifesting, but here's another reference that might help you integrate because it is complex. It does require, your belief system. It requires your attention to your mind. It requires attention to your thoughts, but it's very much like that of somebody playing a sport where they focus and they practice over and over again to get the ball in the basket. Or when you go bowling, you are bowling the ball towards getting a strike or hitting the pins. And what's really cool about this reference is the concept of how somebody focuses solely their eyes, their attention on the hoop, on the mitt that someone is throwing the ball to somebody else for them to catch, or even to hit the ball in basketball, or excuse me, baseball. Your focus is so single pointed on that one piece, that one ball, that you completely let go and have faith that your body is going to swing and hit the ball with the bat at the right time, at the right place. Okay? So the same thing applies for if you want some big, hairy, audacious goal to obtain into physical reality, you've got to have your eye on the prize. You have to keep your focus maintained on the goal and trust that the actions that you are taking, the intuitive hits that are coming through for you, are helping you hit the target. Okay, so really great thing that you can do every single day is to go into visualization or daydreaming about what it is that you are wanting to bring through into physical reality, matching it not only with your thoughts, but that of your emotions, believing in the outcome, and then allowing any information, any ideas, any quote unquote hits that come to you in regards to calling someone or going somewhere or signing up for a class that will help move the needle forward towards receiving your outcome. And before you know it, you've been taking incremental steps for it to actualize. Leave me a comment, let me know how this lands for you. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.